And here's the British Quad tractor truck, the Tamiya kit. And it's one I made not too long ago, about a couple of years ago, and I still have it. I love this kit. I mean, it's so basic, but it's just so cool. And it's an easy to build. You can build it in a day. If you want to mess with it a little longer, you can do stuff to it. That's the other thing that's cool. Like, I added the wires to the engine and some other wiring in there just for the fun of it. It's one of those things that it's basic but yet detailed enough, and you can do things to it. So painted in the Cantor scheme, acrylic paints, nothing special. Everything was pretty much done exactly like the Stuart Honey. So if you want to see some painting techniques that I used on this one, just check out the Stuart Honey video that I did. And in fact, one of the figures here is from the Gecko tankers kit, same kit I used for the tankers in the Stuart Honey. And also the tarps, same thing. Did them the same exact way. So it was a really fun kit to build. It's just, it's not huge, you know, but yeah, it's not tiny. You can have all kinds of different paint schemes. You can do a European scheme, you know, all green. You can do, I think the Mickey Mouse pattern with the black circles on it. You could do all desert yellow. I mean, this thing is really cool. The markings came from my spare box. I saw these markings on a photo online, so that's what I did. But yeah, really cool kit. I really like it, and I recommend it for anybody who's starting out, especially into building armor models. It's really cool, really neat kit, and that's pretty much it. And like I said, the weathering was accomplished almost exactly like the Stuart Honey. Tires weathered with pastels, a lot of pastels on here. But that's it. And I wanted to say a few things about my PDFs. I used to have the PDF step-by-steps on my website. They used to be on the home page, and anyone who's gone back to my website has seen, those are gone. But they aren't gone. If you go into the gallery and scroll through the photos there, probably all of the PDFs are linked to the photo of the model that the PDF is for the build, weather, paint, all that. So when you go through my website, just go through and click on the model, and if there's a PDF there, you'll get a link to the PDF. So that's how you can get to my step-by-step PDFs. And in that, there's the AEC, and there's another British truck that's painted in the Cantor scheme that you can refer to if you want to do this. But yeah, that's it. And check out my PDFs on my website. That being said, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content.